These are um, power banks that comes in shells with no batteries. These are recycled batteries inside of these shells. As you can see, these are put together. I was using batteries from old power banks. There was nothing wrong with the power bank, with the actual charger was default. So the batteries are still good, the high class Samsung batteries and LGs. What I have it right now hooked up to is this China USB 5. C to use for the heaters. These are warmers. That means these do not put out any much voltage, but these heaters right here are efficient to change the temperature regardless of how much energy is being produced out of it. I don't think these are putting out no more than 28, 25. But this is to warm the air up, passing through it. There's no great heat, just a small little temperature change, 10 degrees change. 10 degrees is better than no degrees. So if you want to put these in a place where dampness is at, a little cold air blowing at, you want to just heat it up a little bit. These are perfect ideal. As you can see, they work. Thank you for watching and supporting me. God bless.